Everyone wants to spot the next Titan or Infosys before it becomes huge, right? That's exactly what Small Cap Fund aims to do. The Helios Small Cap Fund is the latest in this category, but does it really deserve a spot in your portfolio? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is a small cap fund. So, equity mutual funds that invest in the stock of small size companies are called small cap funds. So small cap companies are companies that are ranked from 251 onwards till 500 based on their market capitalization. So the approximate market cap for these companies is below 9,000 crores. So they do have better return potential, but they are also more volatile compared to large cap and mid cap funds. So now, as we have a basic idea about what are small cap funds, let us first understand another basic ideas about the Helios Small Cap Fund. So as an NFO, it opens on 6th November 2025 and closes on 20th November 2025. And some of the key features of this fund are: it is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity small cap. It has Nifty Small Cap 250 TRI index as its benchmark, and there is an exit load of 1% for redemption within 3 months, but there is no entry load. So the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is 5,000 rupees, and the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Alok Bhal and Mr. Pratik Singh. So according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective is also to generate long-term capital appreciation for investors by investing in equity and equity-related securities of small cap companies. So now, as we have a basic idea about this fund, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, because this is a small cap equity fund that focuses on identifying emerging businesses with strong fundamentals and high growth potential. So the idea is to catch companies early because they grow into tomorrow's market leaders. So now let's take a look at the advantages. So number one, growth potential of small cap. Smaller companies often have more room to expand and can grow much faster than large established players if chosen wisely. So number two, diversification within the small cap space. Instead of betting on one or two small stocks, the fund spreads your money across multiple small cap opportunities, reducing company specific risk. And number three, strong focus on bottom up stock picking. The fund follows a research driven approach, selecting businesses based on their fundamentals rather than market noise or short term trends. Number four, opportunity for long term wealth creation. Investors with patience and a long term horizon can benefit significantly as small caps mature into mid and large cap companies over time. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well. Number one, being newly launched, there is no performance history yet, making it difficult to assess how effectively the fund will be managed. Number two, small caps are highly sensitive to market movements and can experience sharp ups and downs, especially during corrections. Number three, Helios is a relatively new player in the mutual fund space, so its long-term fund management experience is still being tested. Number four, investing during an NFO can carry timing risk, especially if markets correct soon after the fund launch. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this fund. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Helios small cap fund worth it or not? To wrap up, this fund offers exciting growth potential through careful stock selection within India's small cap universe. But since it's a new fund from a young AMC, investors should approach it with caution. If you have a long-term horizon and can handle short-term volatility, it might be worth tracking, but avoid rushing in just because it's new. But our personal recommendation is also that if you do want to invest in a small cap fund, you can choose to invest in an existing mutual funds that have a track record for a minimum of 7 to 10 years, where you would be able to take analysis of how it has performed in highs and lows over this long-term period and be able to take a calculated decision. But here, without proper portfolio, investing in a Helios small cap fund, which is an NFO, without proper track record and research, investment is risky because here here taking a blind risk. If you still want to invest in this fund just to see how it will grow and you have some surplus cash, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio, as investing in an NFO is meant to be a supplementary holding, not for your core portfolio. Because if in your core portfolio, if this fund underperforms, it will definitely impact the returns of the overall portfolio. So in your supplementary holding, what you can do is you can invest it through as a with a minimum amount as a trial basis, and then as time passes, if you feel like it is growing correctly or if it's growing good, then you can invest more amount accordingly. But right now it is better if you don't invest in it, or if you invest it through your satellite portfolio on a trial basis with surplus cash. And also, if you have any doubts regarding how to invest in it or whether it will fit into your portfolio or not, and you feel like you need some kind of professional guidance, you can consult with your professional financial planner who will look into the fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation, and whether it will be suitable for your risk tolerance, your goals, and your portfolio.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.